Welcome all to Breakdown City. Let's kick it! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Breakdown City for another reaction video. Hope you guys are still staying safe out there. Crazy times, just gotta keep on pushing on. It looks like we got a re-recorded track from the band Motionless and White. If you haven't heard of this band, especially in this genre, then there's something wrong. They've been around for a little over 10 years, and I guess to celebrate their 10-year anniversary from their debut album Creatures, they re-recorded that song. It's called Creatures X to the Grave. I have not listened to their debut album, so maybe I'll go back and listen to it. I listened to Motionless and White ever since, Reincarnate, Graveyard Shift, and Disguise. Every single album is a masterpiece. Chris's range as a vocalist, I know some people might compare his cleans to Breaking Benjamin, but this dude's range is phenomenal. So I can't wait to see what this track has in store for us. All right, here we go. Motionless and White, Creatures X to the Grave. I'm pretty sure the song's going to throw down. Like I said, re-recorded. I have not listened to the original Creatures. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Breakdown City tickets are on standby like always. I can't get over that, how it began. My God. So we got a nice and spooky vibe to the video. Hell yeah.
I wore my shame on my sleeve and put my pain on display for all to see. And this is my life's work. What felt like fire but without a thing to burn, turned into a scorched earth. Step through those doors. 10 years, 10 more. I was waiting for my chance to find the light. I was chasing.
Oh man, that snare, man.
I'll take this to the grave. There's always a struggle you don't see.
Oh, you hear that reverse snare? Hot damn.
Forever stepping through the door to the unknown. 10 years, 10 more.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a one more chorus. definitely dig this visualizer they got going on, man. It's nice and spooky, man. Fucking spookiest season is upon us. Whew. Fuck yeah! First snare. There it is. Hot damn. Man, that shit, that was fucking nice and spicy right there. Alright, so that was Motionless in White, Creatures X, To the Grave. Like I said, you know, just the way that song started out. I had to spit out my beer because it fucking surprised me. I think it was going to get it right into it just like that. But, you know, the production on this song, you know, fucking spot on. And I don't know if they're going to do a whole, like, re-recorded album, or like a release of this album, you know, with the 2020 sound, or if they're just going to do this just one track. Please do let me know if you know more than me, if they're going to re-record their whole debut album. The fucking, yeah, screams. Chris's, you know, range on the vocals, man, like, never disappoints. That fucking bass was slapping. The reverse snare a couple times, you know, in that track. So I liked everything about this track. I like the overall feel of this track. Like I said, it was nice and spooky. You know, spooky season is upon us. I really did enjoy that track, and I waited all day to listen to it. I knew it really wasn't like a new track. It was just a re-recorded version, but still, it came out midnight. I can't wait for new music from these guys. I know they did a couple covers. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did, please do like it, comment, share it to everyone you know. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. The support goes a long way. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you on the next reaction video.